Okay. We're recording. Hello, this is Polly the Third and
Gabe. G-Man.
Okay, and we are doing a little bit of hockey. So here we go. Do you know where the? Oh. So we're gonna get started right away. Now we're gonna get started right away. So not yet. Let me bring this up. Bring that up. Okay. I'm kind of a better goalie than everyone that I know, so
I'm gonna whack Polly's head off.
don't. Okay, no slash. And you can't get in. You can't. Okay, 3, 2, 1. You can choose.
Go!
That was not a goal.
Yeah, it went in.
It went back here and then went in. No.
Yeah, it still went in.
No, that doesn't count.
Nut catch. That's nut catch goal. Oh, that was terrible.
Okay, I'm sorry we haven't been talking a lot. Oh! My hand got smashed.
Go!
Okay, that one was good. You can't get in so close and do a slap shot, okay?
Roll. Here.
That's a rule from now on, okay? And then wait, and when you get 3 goals, you switch. Okay, here we go. Gonna try and back you. Gonna try and spin around. Okay. Here we go. So you have 1 goal right now.
Don't roll it. Roll it.
No?
Oh. Go!
Okay. So that's 2 goals. Oh, that's good. Oh, yes. Oh!
How'd that feel?
That felt weird.
Circle. Here, give me a hug. Hug me.
No. I'm not just going to give you the puck when I'm not ready.
Give it.
Here we go.
Go. Oh, one with this. It went whoop and went through it. It's so hard when it hurts.
Okay, so that is 1 turnaround. So he scored 3 goals on me. And it took a while, but it's good
It's gonna
enough.
take you a while too.
No, it isn't.
It is.
I got my magical hockey stick that makes my life better. Especially in hockey.
But I don't need no pads. What is that?
And you need a stick.
Give me a stick.
There. And you can't just reach out with a stick and just, oh no, reach out and get to it. Okay, so here we go. Okay.
got it! I got it! Before it crossed the line with my foot. I caught it like this.
Yes!
One. Finally.
And you cannot say too high ever. Because whatever the net is whatever you've got to block. Go.
Wait, time out.
Okay, go. Yes!
That was in 3.
What?
It went like this. It went outside and then like that and then rolled in.
But still, it rolled in.
No, mine went like this before it came through and it didn't count. Redo it. Dude, I wasn't ready. Wait till I say I'm ready.
Go.
You can't shoot today, Paul. Ow! Time out. I slapped it on the freaking.
Don't worry, I've done it before. Go.
Wait, no, it's on the outside.
It came in and went through.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it did. You can't just deny every call that I make. Now that one was good.
Gone.
I got 3 goals away.
1, 2,
You know I have to get my pads on.
3.
You know I have to get my pads
Hey, give me the pads.
on. No! You know I have to get my pads on.
Now take the lucky stick.
No, that's my lucky stick.
Here, you can take this one.
No, this one's mine. It's not a lucky stick, it's just mine. I know I put tape on mine. Do you want to put tape on that one?
I already made 3 goals. Hand them over.
No, that doesn't count. You know I gotta get my pads on. When the other person
I'm gonna pretend there's zombies down here and we're just like hiding down here. There's zombies all upstairs and stuff too.
Okay.
Let's grab a gun. Get like a gun like that.
Where are we playing?
I don't want to play anymore. Let's play.
Okay. This is Polyether and
G-Man.
signing off.
Was it even
Bye.